The University of Illinois Extension proudly invites you to Magnificent Moths, an educational event celebrating these important pollinators through crafts, games, and native gardening. Hosted by passionate master naturalists and master gardeners, Magnificent Moths connects community members of all ages to the wonders of the natural world, one moth at a time. The event is part of National Moth Week, an annual celebration of moth diversity held around the globe. From hands-on learning stations to creative nature crafts, Magnificent Moths offers fun for the whole family. Some activities include learning to identify moths, make and take your very own moth craft, free native seeds to support pollinators at home, games, nature exploration, and activities specified for ages 5 to 13. This event is open to all, free and family-friendly. Magnificent Moths take place each summer during National Moth Week. Hosted at locations like Cache River State Natural Area, this drop-in event is packed with discovery, creativity, and outdoor fun. Moths play a vital role in our ecosystems as nighttime pollinators, a food source for other wildlife, and indicators of biodiversity. By learning about and supporting moths, we also support a healthier, more balanced environment. Join us for Magnificent Moths, where education meets creativity and wonder takes flight under the stars. We look forward to seeing you at our next event. Check with your local extension office or visit our website for upcoming dates and locations.